The EzyGain Virtual Reality Kit for functional rehabilitation is the most versatile and user-friendly option on the market. No Wi-Fi needed. You can precisely adjust the range of motion and areas to work on. Our exercise library is constantly evolving and aims to address all areas of rehabilitation. Easily use our VR kit with any arm support. We cover the needs of the upper limb, including the hand and fine motor skills, auditory rhythmic stimulation, standing or sitting balance, visual tracking, relaxation and pain reduction, and of course, the lower limb. What sets EzyGain apart is our ability to interface with movement-based devices, like treadmills or cycloergometers. You have the power to significantly boost your patient's motivation and brain stimulation using your existing equipment. Some manufacturers already trust us to connect directly to their products. For others, you have the CycloSense sensor, which simply needs to be placed on the limb or device being mobilized. This is such an easy way to turn your existing equipment into smart and fun devices. Additionally, we offer a comprehensive range of exercises in non-immersive virtual reality, utilizing only the iPad camera. This includes engaging speech therapy exercises. It's an incredibly portable solution,